Alright, this is the Fortuitous Productions fourth video. This video is about the equipment needed to start the filmmaking process. The first part of my journey started with a man named Mr. Salah. He is the CTO, or Chief Technology Officer, in our organization. He's a good friend of mine too, so he was really quite helpful. He helped me, first of all, get the MacBook Pro on my laptop, which is very critical. He also helped me get a lot of storage for backing up my files and things like that. Apparently you need to back everything up 3 times over just in case you lose that footage, because once it's shot you can't get that back. Thanks a lot, Salah. Other than that, I took the shopping list I got from my filmmaking course and I just pretty much went to a lot of local camera shops and saw what was available. Not everything was available here in the UAE, so that's something you're going to have to bear in mind. eBay turned out to be a really great resource. I mean, you can get just about anything shipped to any country in the world, and the prices are actually very competitive. The only issue with something like eBay is that there's no warranties, so a lot of the bigger ticket items that were available in UAE I actually bought from here, although probably I paid a little bit more for that. Things like the camera body, some of the expensive lenses, even the tripod, stuff like that I bought here locally. The rest of the bits and bobs I got from all over the world, and they're still flying in from China, from US, from everywhere. I thought the warranty was quite critical, so that's why I went with that option. Anyway, I'm going to show you footage of some of the things that I picked up. I ended up going with a DSLR camera instead of a camcorder. Those are good because you can change lenses on them, which I heard is quite useful. So whether you want a really good close-up lens, or you want a wide zoom lens, or you want a whatever, I don't know what I'm talking about, let's be honest, but anyway, the feedback I got was DSLR was the way to go, and that's the way I went. Good luck with your shopping. Be patient. Always try and stay in budget. Brother Faisal, how difficult am I to work with? Very difficult. How good am I at negotiating?
Yeah.
Good? Thank you for your help. Once again, don't look at anything as a failure. Everything is a learning experience. By the way, if you want to know how I shot this, I actually use a tissue box to hold up this camera. Because that's how I roll.